Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. I am back with latest beautiful decoration ideas about Christmas centerpieces. In this video I am going to share with you such a beautiful Christmas centerpieces ideas. All the ideas are decorated with different things and look attractive and adorable. So I hope you like my video and watch the video till end, which is very beautiful centerpieces and very helpful for your home decoration. So keep supporting me, my dear viewers. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos, subscribe my channel also, and most important thing, don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing and unique updates. Stay blessed, stay happy, have a nice day.